Alrighty, let's make this quick. Today you're going to learn how to make one of these spinny sort of product reveal animations. As you can see, still don't have a desk set up yet, so we're here on the floor using our Mac. Quick note as well, this works great for any sort of thin product like a phone or any sort of like skinny cylindrical sort of object, but if you're using something that's quite spherical in shape and like wide, tall, and deep, it may not work as well and could ruin the illusion. Still will work, but it just might not look as good. So let's get into it. First, you're going to start with the object at 0, 0 in your scene and add an empty. Then on your object, add an array modifier, but don't use a relative offset like usual, gross. This time we're using the object offset. This means that you'll be able to select your empty as the object that it's offsetting around as opposed to your actual object itself. Just make sure you actually select your empty here and untick the relative offset. Then on your object, click Ctrl A and select all transforms. This will reset all the transforms. Otherwise you get some really whacked out results here as well. Then to actually see your effect take place, rotate your object along one axis, either the Y, Z, or X. You'll see which one actually looks best here. So just choose with your own discretion. You see it start to spin around. If you want it to be in even parts, divide 360 by whatever your array count is. So in this example, my array count is 6. So I go 360 divided by 6. And that's what I want to set the rotation on my Y-axis to. So it does like a proper perfect little circle. Now you might see at this point, it looks a bit weird and everything sort of stack up on itself. But no worries, all you gotta do is select your object, go into edit mode, and shift up your object. You'll see your final animation actually look decent here now. You can also add a bit of rotation as well if you add a bit more like zhuzh and spice into your animation, but this isn't 100% necessary. Then to actually make the animation happen, at your final keyframe, make sure it's set on whatever that Y-axis value is, and your first keyframe, just set that Y-axis value to 0, and you'll see the animation play out. I also like to set it to end linearly, so instead of actually slowing down at the end, it ends nice and constant, and you can also use this to like cut into your next shot instead of having like a weird like slow down and then slow back up again. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you remember at the beginning of this video, when I said it works better on skinny objects, that's because everything's actually sort of coming out of this original first object. So if you're looking close, you'll see a bit of actual merging in there as well, which you can hide very easily by doing that classic lighting technique of having everything in darkness and having like a fill light sort of reveal your objects. But also you can adjust this by just in edit mode, further pushing up your actual object or changing the rotation as well, just to properly make sure there's no intersections there. But yeah, that's it. Super easy, super quick. Cool, spinny animation. Got nothing else to say. If you like what you saw, chuck a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.